Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not. But it's time for you to see our today's offer. Our property offer of the day is located in Santiago, Botolan, Zambales. It has a total land area of 9,627 square meters. It is secured with land title and has a wide road frontage. This property is located just along the barangay road, suitable for residential or for commercial use. In addition, this area is just a few minutes away from the life's basic amenities, such as the public market, utilities such as electric, water, and internet providers, and even tourist destinations, be it the crystal clear beaches, heritage sites, and even hiking sites. And with its location, being along Barangay Road, you can maximize the commercial use of this property. Properties here in Botolan, Zambales increases its value every year. Double your income by making this lot into an income-generating property. Looking for a memorable adventure that can fully immerse you in the wonders of nature? Consider exploring the tourist spots in Zambales, home of pristine coves, beaches, forests, and waterfalls. Zambales is most popularly known as the Philippines' wreck diving capital. With its ports being a major battlefield during World War II, it's no surprise that you'll find shipwrecks here. Today, more and more adventurers and explorers are diving into its waters to explore wreckages and experience history. But Zambales is more than that. On its vast and varied landscapes lie numerous destinations to satisfy your quest for nature, culture, and history. From hiking, cave spelunking, and forest bathing, to diving, snorkeling, and sunbathing, there's just endless fun and exploration to do here. It's more fun in Zambales indeed. There's still a lot to tell about this neighborhood and this area, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this video review and I'll see you on the other side. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and flipping through our contact number posted. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status, and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, cause we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe! So this is it for today. I hope you'll find our video interesting I will leave you all our contact details below. Please feel free to contact our team. We are more than happy to help you find a property of your dream. Like and subscribe and see you on our next video. Ciao! Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenchanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.